Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make $100 with a Maxbounty using paid traffic. With this video guys, I want to show you exactly how to choose your product and how to promote it using paid traffic. Like you know, if you don't have traffic to your Maxbounty affiliate products, you can't get no leads and no commission. Okay, so I am very exciting to present you this video and to show you exactly how this works, and I will show you how to choose your product and how to promote your link. So let's start. First, let's go to you can see here search campaign. Then all you have to do is search option and let's choose here USA. Okay, USA, and the category, let's go to surveys and click search. Okay, now you have here a CPA rate, so let's click it. Now we have some campaign, some offers here that we can choose and promote our link. Okay, so how this work? Let's choose one of. Okay, I will choose inbox pays. Let's go and check it. Okay, we will get $2.80 for every lead. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, let's check the landing page. We have to check the landing page to check if really this page convert and we will get leads. Okay, so like you see here, this is a very beautiful page, and you can see earn extra cash, fantastic, and we will get $5 for every sign up. Okay, so everyone who's sign up this page, you will get $5. Of course, when someone sign up to this product, we will get $2.80. Okay, so you can see here there's more product. Okay, there's more product that you can choose and promote. But for this video, I will choose this. Okay, this page. I like this page, and I want to show you how to promote this product using paid traffic. Okay, so here in the bottom, you can see select creative type. So let's click it and go to contextual. Okay, in the end. Then we will get description contextual. All we have to do is get tracking code. Okay, this is our link. We have to choose. This is our link. You can see this is our link. So let's copy, and we can close this windows. Okay, I hope you get the point. You have to choose your product and go to check. You have to check your landing page. If this page really convert, you can click this image and see your page. And then you have to go to description and choose contextual and click get tracking code and copy the link. Okay, copy and close. Okay, now how to get traffic to this how to get traffic to your link. I want to show you my two traffic source that you can get a massive traffic over 70% USA traffic. So one of my secret website, let's go to, I want to show you, let's go to Safe Traffic Rotator. Okay, you will get this page. Like you see here, are you looking for fast, cheap advertising for your website? Do you need traffic to your affiliate link? Of course, we need traffic. We have to get, we should get traffic to our affiliate link if you want to make money online, if you want to get leads. Okay. Why I am using this website? This is the one of the best websites, one of the best traffic source that you can get to your affiliate link. And the reason over 70% is from USA traffic. And you, after you purchase your traffic, you will get stats, okay, info stats, so you can check real time how many traffic you get to your affiliate link, and of course you can change your link anytime you wish. Okay, so how to promote? First you have to click your name here and your email, okay, and then your link. Okay, this is our link, and choose your package. Before you make your order, you have to click terms of service and read the read and accept the terms of service. Okay, and then all you have to do is order now. Now you can you have to check if everything is well. Of course you have to check, very important, your link. Okay, your link. Okay, don't forget the HTTP // very important. And then all you have to do is buy now. Okay, this is one of the traffic secret source that I am getting to my offers. And now I want to show you my second traffic that you can use to promote your offers and get unlimited traffic to your affiliate link. So let's go to Turbo website traffic. You can see here there's unlimited. If you click here the logo in the top, you will get a different product from ClickBank, from Maxbounty, from Warrior Plus, Okay, you will get a lot of product here in the middle for every click on the logo of the top.
If you're watching this
Okay,
video,
so how to promote, how to put your offer here. You can see here there's advertising. Okay, so let's go to advertising, and you can see here this is the order form. So all you have to do, your name, your email, and your link. Okay, and choose your package, and then you have to order. You have here order now. Okay, the same thing. You have to you have to check your link if everything is well, and then after you check everything, you can check buy now. Okay, now remember, if you want a real traffic, and if you want real results to your Maxbounty offers, you have to get traffic, you have to get unlimited traffic, and very important to get traffic, target traffic. If your offer is USA, you can see here, if your offer is target USA, so you have to get unlimited traffic from USA. Okay, I hope you like this video, and I hope I help you with internet marketer. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will appreciate that if you share this video to other people, so they will can make money online. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.